Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making Filipino Chicken Inasal, one of my personal favorites. I think this one is one of the most delicious grilled chickens I've ever tasted. So I invite you to come and join me as I share this amazing recipe with you. Before we begin, do me a favor. Please hit the subscribe and like buttons below and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on new delicious recipes to try. This will also allow us to continue to share our family's favorite recipes. Thank you for your support. Let's get started. Chicken in asal typically uses leg quarters, so that's what we're using today. First, we're going to remove most of the skin and set it aside. We'll need them for the chicken oil we're making later. I'll show you how to make the chicken oil on this video. Now we're going to cut slashes into the chicken. This technique allows the marinade to get into the meat for better flavor throughout, and it also speeds up the cooking process. Now we're going to season the chicken skin with salt, and we're going to set it aside. On the next few clips, we're going to prepare the marinade, and you will see the marinade ingredients and their exact measurements. I will also include them on the description box below. Now we're going to stir the marinade to ensure that all the ingredients are well combined. Now let's add the leg quarters. Just make sure that the meat is fully submerged in the marinade. Next, we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and let it marinate overnight in the fridge. The longer the meat marinates, the more flavorful it becomes. While the meat is marinating, we're going to prepare the chicken oil. The chicken oil is what makes this dish different from all the other grilled chickens you've ever tasted. It's what makes chicken inasal so good. First, we're going to heat up some oil on a frying pan. Next, we're going to fry the chicken skin. You're going to want to flip it a few times, ensuring that both sides are browned. Our goal is to extract as much oil and flavor from them as possible. Next, we're going to roast the garlic. Now that the garlic has roasted, we're gonna add the butter and ground achuete or annatto powder for coloring. Finally, we're gonna separate the roasted garlic by using a strainer. Ta-da! Now we have our homemade chicken oil. The secret to a delicious chicken inasal is the chicken oil. We will use half of it to baste the chicken and we'll save the other half as topping for the steamed rice later. It'll take the steamed rice to the next level. Now that the meats have fully marinated overnight, we are ready to grill our chicken inasal. Today we're using a charcoal grill. If you have a gas grill, that's okay too, but I highly recommend using a charcoal grill for chicken inasal because it gives the meat a robust, smoky grilled flavor. We will need to flip them a few times to make sure all sides are cooked evenly. Every time we flip them, we're gonna baste each side with the chicken oil we prepared earlier. This is the secret to the chicken inasal. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you can get notified of new delicious recipes that you can try. This will also help the algorithm for YouTube to suggest other channels with similar content that may benefit you. Finally, our chicken inasal is ready. It is best enjoyed with steamed rice, topped with chicken oil, and a dipping sauce that consists of calamansi or lemon juice, soy sauce, and some chilies. Kain na!
Wow.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click on one of the thumbnails on the screen. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can follow our channel. And if you enjoy our videos, click the like button. Thank you so much and happy cooking!